सो वन बाय वन अब हम लोग टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन देखने जा रहे हैं। तो फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इज ट्रांसलेशन। ट्रांसलेशन बाय द डेफिनेशन, ट्रांसलेशन इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ चेंज इन पोजीशन ऑफ एनी ऑब्जेक्ट। जब आप किसी ऑब्जेक्ट की पोजीशन को चेंज करते हो, दैट इज नोन एज ट्रांसलेशन। फॉर एग्जांपल, सपोज देयर इज अ पिक्सल p xy here, and you change the position of this particular pixel from here to here, and now the coordinates are x dash y dash. So previously it was here, and now you have changed the position of this particular point from p to p dash, and new coordinates are x dash y dash. तो आपने इसको चेंज कर दिया। कितना चेंज किया? दिस मच, राइट। अगर आप देखें तो इसका x का कोऑर्डिनेट भी चेंज हो गया होगा और y का कोऑर्डिनेट भी चेंज हो गया होगा। मींस आपने x में भी इसमें कुछ चेंज किया है एंड y डायरेक्शन में भी कुछ ना कुछ चेंज किया है। सो चेंज इन x डायरेक्शन कितना हुआ? अगर आप देखें तो x की वैल्यू यहां पे जो होगी और यहां पे जो होगी, कितना चेंज आपने किया है? वी हैव शिफ्टेड दिस पॉइंट फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर, और कितना डिस्टेंस शिफ्ट किया है? दिस मच डिस्टेंस। दिस डिस्टेंस इज नोन एज tx. Translation in x direction. In very similar manner, the distance of between the y coordinate, देखिए y coordinate में कितना चेंज हुआ है? यहाँ पे y था और यहाँ पे y डैश हो गया है। ये वाला डिस्टेंस ना, ये y और y डैश के बीच ये वाला डिस्टेंस, तो y डायरेक्शन में कितना चेंज हुआ है? तो you can see this particular distance is ty. So whatever distance we made in x direction is known as translation vector in x direction, that is px, and whatever distance we made in y direction, that is known as translation vector in y direction, that is ty. So अगर आप इसकी इक्वेशन निकालना चाहें, so x dash y dash क्या होगा? तो x dash and y dash क्या होगा? So you can very easily identify that x dash will be x plus px and y dash will be y plus py. This point will be this x plus this particular distance px, and this point, y coordinate of this point will be y plus this much distance, that is ty. So it will be sum of this and this, ty and ty. अगर आप इसको किसी एग्जांपल में लाइक मान लीजिए ये पॉइंट एक्स वाई की जगह आपका 10 10 है, और ये वाला पॉइंट है आपका मान लीजिए 15 और 13, ठीक है। सो एक्स डायरेक्शन में 10 था और आपने उसको 15 बना दिया है एक्स को, तो कितना चेंज किया? 5 का चेंज किया। तो px क्या है आप? यही है 5। y में y कोऑर्डिनेट प्रीवियसली 10 था और करंटली आपने उसको 13 कर दिया, तो y में कितना चेंज किया? तो y में आपने 3 का चेंज किया। 10 को कितना किया? 13 किया। तो यही आपका ty है। And by the equation always x dash will be x plus tx and y dash will be y plus ty. You can see that x is 10 plus tx is 5, x plus tx is equal to x dash, that is 15, and y is 10 and ty is 3, y plus ty is equal to y dash. So this is the equation of translation. इसको मैट्रिक्स के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करें, so we can write it like this: x dash y dash will be xy dx. So x and y का add है, x plus tx and y plus ty. And if you want to go with the homogeneous matrix, then translation, there is a translation matrix. We will use that particular matrix for all the numerical type of problem. That matrix is known as homogeneous matrix. which is this particular matrix. So you can use this particular homogeneous matrix for any type of numerical question. और solve कैसे करेंगे? So x dash y dash 1 will be equal to xy1 multiplied by this particular matrix, where xy are the previous coordinate of any x dash y dash are the new coordinate of any object, and tx is the translation vector in x direction and ty is the translation vector in y direction. So अगर आप ये दोनों मैट्रिक्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो what will you get? X into 1 will be x, y into 0 will be 0, and 1 into tx will be tx. So you will get x plus tx. That is, x into 1 will be x, y will be 0 plus 1 into tx. So you will get this x into 0, that is 0, y into 1, that is y, and 1 into ty, that is ty. You will get y plus ty. And in third, you will get x into 0, 0, y into 0, 0, and 1 into 1, 1. So you will get 1, 1, 1, 1 column there, and these are the coordinates of x dash and y dash. It is 1 row and 3 column, 1 cross 3 matrix, and it is 3 cross 3 matrix. So what will you get? 1 cross 3 matrix. That is this particular matrix. After multiplication of these two matrices, you will get this, right? Where x dash is this and y dash is this. और जो 1 1 आपने डाला है, that is for balancing the matrix or making it homogeneous. So ये 1 1 आप निकाल दीजिएगा. That is of no use. This is your x dash, this is your y dash, right? So यहाँ से आप इक्वेशन देख सकते हो. x dash is equal to x plus tx हो गया, and y dash is equal to y plus ty हो गया. So basically, this matrix represents that particular equation of translation. इस मैट्रिक्स को अगर आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आपको ट्रांसलेशन का इक्वेशन मिल जाएगा. सो ट्रांसलेशन का इक्वेशन की जगह यू कैन यूज दिस पर्टिकुलर मैट्रिक्स टू सॉल्व एनी न्यूमेरिकल टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. सो अब एक छोटा सा न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चन करते हैं ट्रांसलेशन का, देन वी विल मूव टू द सेकंड टाइप ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, दैट इज रोटेशन. So use this particular matrix to solve any type of numerical question. So consider a question. There is question. Consider a square ABCD where A is 0 0, B is 3 0, C is 3 3, and D is 0 3. Consider a square ABCD where A is 0 0, B is 3 0, C is 3 3, and D is 0 3. Translate this square by 2 units in x direction and by 3 units in y direction. The question is, translate this object by 2 units in x direction and by 3 units in y direction. This is the question. So first we will draw how this particular square will look like in axis na, then only we perform the translation. So क्या क्या चीज है? Given points is A, B, C and D. These points are given. This is a square. This is an object which is a square, and translation vector is also given. 2 units in x direction. That means it is the value of this px. 2 units in x direction. Translation in x direction. That is tx. 3 units in y direction. It is the value of ty. So tx, ty is given. xy coordinate, that previous coordinates are given, that is 0 0 3 3 0 3 and 3 0, xy coordinates are given और न्यू आपको निकालना है। तो क्वेश्चन इसके बाद रहेगा, translate this object by 2 units in x direction, 3 units in y direction and find out the new coordinates of object. Find out the new coordinates of object. New coordinates कौन से हैं? This particular x dash y dash जो हमारे new coordinates हैं, previous coordinates x y वाले हैं, tx is the translation vector, ty is the translation vector, it is in x direction, it is in y direction. So let's solve this particular numerical. Suppose this is your square given in this particular question. This is your square, that is A, B, C and D. The coordinates given 0 0 3 0 3 3 and 0 3. Right. You need to shift this particular square from one position to another position in x direction by 2 units, in y direction by 3 units, and then you need to find out what will be the coordinate of this particular new coordinate of this particular square. So you can use this matrix to solve this particular numerical. In xy we can put this value, this is xy 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 xy. In place of tx we can put 2, translation vector in x direction. In place of ty we can put 3, that is translation vector in y direction. So let's use this particular matrix and solve this question. X dash y dash 1 unknown, you need to find it out. xy, the coordinate of A is 0 0, the coordinate of B is 3 0, the coordinate of C is 3 3 and coordinate of D is 0 3. So these are the coordinate of that particular square. The object may be triangle, may be square or any other type of object. You need to put all the coordinates here. X represents the column of x coordinate, y is column of y coordinate. That's why xy xy xy. This one represents the third column will contain only 1 1 1. This is just a matrix adjustment, because this matrix it will be 2 cross 4, so we cannot multiply 2 cross 4 by 3 cross 3 matrix. That's why. After that, put this matrix, that is tx ty. So 1 1 1. In place of tx, translation in x direction, that is 2. In place of ty, translation in y direction, that is 3. And this will become 0. Then you can multiply this to particular matrix to get the value of x dash y dash. So multiply it. 0 into 1 will be 0, plus 0 into 0, that is again 0, plus 1 into 2, that will be 2. So 0 plus 2, like this. 0 into 1 will be 0, 0 into 0 will be 0, 1 into 2, that will be 2. So 0 plus 2, so you will get 2. Then first row with the second column, 0 into 0, that will be 0, plus 0 into 1, again it will be 0, then 1 into 3, it will be 3. So 0 plus 3, you will get 3. Then again moving ahead, 0 into 0, that will be 0, plus 0 into 0, that will be 0, plus 1 into 1, you will get 1. 0 plus 1, that is 1. The last column will be 1 always, na? 1 1 wala column आपको 1 ही मिलेगा. Then first row completes. Second row, 3 into 1, that is 3. 0 into 0, that is 0, and 1 into 2, that is 2. 3 plus 2, you'll get 5. 3 into 0, that is 0. 0 into 1, it is 0. Then 1 into 3, it is 3. And the last column will be 1. No need to multiply. 3 into 1, now coming to third row. 3 into 1, that is 3. 3 into 0, that is 0. 1 into 2, that is 2. This 3 and this 2 will be 5. Then 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 3, that is 3 into 1, that is 3. And this 3 into 1, that is 3 again. So it will be 6. And last will be 1. No need to multiply. Then the last row, 0 into 1 will be 0. 3 into 0 will be 0. 1 into 2 will be 2. 0 into 0, that is 0. 3 into 1, that is 3. And 3 into 1, that is 3. So you will get 6. So finally 2 3 5 3 5 6 and 2 6. यहाँ से 1 1 हटा दीजिए and the coordinates, new coordinates are a dash is 2 3, b dash, because here it is written as x dash y dash 1. So this is x dash y dash and 1 1. So remove this 1 1. This particular will be the new coordinates. So a dash, this is b dash. This particular is c dash. And this is your d dash. So this is the new coordinate of object. If you draw this object, then you can see that you made a translation of 2 units in x direction and 3 units in y direction. So एक बार इसको ड्रॉ करके भी देख लीजिएगा कि ये कैसा दिख रहा है. This is a square A, B, C, D. Previously coordinates are 0 0, 3 0, 3 3 and 0 3. And the new coordinates are 2 3, 5 3, 5 6 and 2 6. 2 3, 2 3 3, x is 3 here, 3 x का वैल्यू 3 होगा यहाँ पे, 2 3, 2 नियर बाय यहाँ पे कहीं पे होना चाहिए, 0 1 2 3, तो ये 2 हो गया. y coordinate क्या बोल रहा है? y coordinate 3. Here it can be 2 3. Similarly 5 3, x की वैल्यू 5, तो यहाँ पे x 3 है, तो यहाँ पे कहीं पे 4 होगा, 5 होगा, यहाँ पे कहीं पे आएगा. इस टाइप से कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट ऊपर बनेगा, राइट. यहाँ से आपका 2 3 हो गया, ये आपका 5 3 हो गया, देन 5 6 ऊपर कहीं पे जाएगा, सिमिलरली 2 6 ऊपर जाएगा. तो ये जो स्क्वायर था इसको आपने कंप्लीटली शिफ्ट कर दिया है, चेंज कर दिया है. y डायरेक्शन में 3 इसको ऊपर कर दिया है और x डायरेक्शन में आपने 2 इधर शिफ्ट कर दिया है, क्योंकि ये 0 था, अब ये वाला 2 बन गया x वाला, तो आपने x डायरेक्शन में ऐसे 2 शिफ्ट किया और y के में 3 शिफ्ट कर दिया, तो ऑब्जेक्ट ऊपर कहीं बनेगा. न्यू ऑब्जेक्ट आप ड्रॉ करेंगे तो आपको पता चल जाएगा ये, ठीक है. अब एक छोटा सा इसमें शॉर्टकट भी आप लगा सकते हैं सॉल्व करने के लिए न्यूमेरिकल, टू चेक द आंसर वेदर योर मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज राइट और रॉन्ग. आप क्या कर सकते हैं, आपके पास जो इनपुट मैट्रिक्स था दैट इज 0 0 3 0 3 3 एंड 0 3, और लास्ट 1 1 1, आखिरी वाला कॉलम में 1 1 एलिमेंट था. आपको पता है कि इक्वेशन क्या है ट्रांसलेशन की, x dash is equal to x plus tx and y dash क्या है, y plus ty. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया, x dash क्या होगा, x कोऑर्डिनेट में tx ऐड करने पे जो मिलेगा दैट इज x dash. सो ये क्या है आपका x dash वाला कॉलम है, ये y dash का कॉलम है, तो आप इसमें डायरेक्टली लगा सकते हैं. tx की वैल्यू क्या है, 2 है, तो add 2 in this column and add 3 in this column. Ty is 3, tx is 2. ये क्या कॉलम है, x है, तो x plus tx, tx क्या है 2 है. ये कौन सा कॉलम है, y का कॉलम है, और y plus ty, ty क्या है 3 है. So you can add 2 in this particular column and add 3 in this particular column, and you will get this matrix. See, 0 plus 2, 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 0 plus 2, 2. सब इस कॉलम के सारे एलिमेंट में 2 2 ऐड कर दीजिए और इस कॉलम के सारे एलिमेंट में 3 3 ऐड कर दीजिए। तो दिस 0 0 जो थे वो 3 3 बन गए और ये 3 3 थे जो 3 ऐड होने से 6 6 बन गए। एंड लीव दिस कॉलम, लास्ट वाले को छोड़ दीजिए। सो आपका इक्वेशन था x plus tx, y plus ty, एंड x ये है, ये वाला कॉलम x है और ये वाला y है। So you can add tx in this particular column and ty in this particular column and you will get this matrix. To just check whether your multiplication right or wrong, अगर आप चेक करना चाहें तो you can do it. ये शॉर्टकट से आपको पता चलेगा। So this is all about the translation. This is the basic concept of a translation. Then now moving to second type of transformation, that is rotation. Rotation, by the definition, rotation is a type of transformation where we change the orientation of any object. If we change the orientation of any object, means हमने उसको tilt कर दिया अपनी position से, then it will comes under the rotation. So now again consider a pixel. Suppose this is your x-y axis. There is a pixel p xy. ये एक पिक्सल है p xy और यहाँ पे एक लाइन से मैंने इसको कनेक्ट किया है। You can say it like radius, right? और इसको मैंने थोड़ा सा चेंज कर दिया इसकी पोजीशन। करेंटली p यहाँ पे था और मैंने इसको इधर शिफ्ट कर दिया, कितना, and the new coordinates are x dash y dash, right? So p पहले एक एंगल बना रहा था, मान लीजिए एंगल था 5. Suppose p, point p was making an angle 5 with the x axis और मैंने उसको और थोड़ा सा रोटेट कर दिया थीटा एंगल, राइट? और उसका न्यू हो गया कोऑर्डिनेट p डैश. So we can make a triangle like this. This is p dash, this is q, and this is r, and this is r dash, right? So the previous coordinate was p और आपने उसको क्या किया? We have rotated this particular object in anti-clockwise direction with the angle of theta. Previously it was making an angle 5 with the x-axis and now it is making an angle 5 plus theta with the x-axis because we have rotated this particular object by theta angle in anti-clockwise direction. आपने उसको anti-clockwise direction में theta angle से rotate कर दिया. So now you can see there are two triangles. First triangle was this particular triangle, that is PQR. This particular triangle, that is PQR, and angle is phi here. So you can see in triangle PQR, we can find out the coordinate of x and y relationship. X will be r cos phi and y will be r sin phi. This particular length is r because it is like a radius. आप लोग अगर पूरा मूव करेंगे तो एक सर्कल बन जाएगा. So this particular length is r, that is constant, and this x distance in PQR, this x distance we can write it like that. X is r cos theta, this particular, and y is r sin theta, right? X is r cos theta and y is r sin थीटा, और इसको मैं कंप्लीटली बोल देता हूँ इक्वेशन नंबर 1. नाउ कमिंग टू सेकेंड ट्रायंगल p dash q r dash, द स्मॉल वन, दिस ये वाला ट्रायंगल, जो दूसरा वाला ट्रायंगल यहाँ पे बन, ये वाला ट्रायंगल. Here you can see the angle is theta plus phi, and this particular distance is x dash, and this particular distance is y dash. In the very similar manner, we can write the equation for x dash and y dash also. Here x dash will be r cos theta plus phi, and y dash will be r sin theta plus phi, because here in this particular triangle angle is complete, this particular, we can use this particular angle, that is theta plus phi. So x dash will be r cos theta plus phi, and y dash will be r sin theta plus phi. So this is cos a plus b and this is sin a plus b. So we can solve this equation. X dash is equal to r cos a plus b, cos a cos b, sin a sin b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, and sin a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. A and b is theta and phi. Theta is a, phi is b. So cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. R will be multiplied with the both the terms in very similar manner. Sin a plus b is sin a cos b cos a sin b. R will be multiplied with this, right? Now we can see that r cos phi is x and r sin phi is y. So we can put r cos phi, this value, we can replace this value by x, and r sin phi by y. Then you'll get equation x dash is equal to, this r cos phi is x, so x cos theta minus this particular is y, y sin theta, and y dash is equal to r cos phi, this is x, so x sin theta plus r sin phi, which is y, y cos theta. So this will be the final equation for rotation. And what will be the matrix of rotation? So we can see, you can see the x dash depends on the previous coordinate, that is x and y, and this particular angle theta, ये जो एंगल जिससे आपने रोटेट किया है इस एंगल पे, फाई पे नहीं, प्रीवियसली वो क्या कौन सा एंगल बना रहा था एक्स एक्सिस पे, इट डजंट मैटर, आपने उसको कितने एंगल से रोटेट किया इस पे डिपेंड कर रहा है, दैट इज दिस पर्टिकुलर एंगल, दैट इज थीटा, एंड द प्रीवियस कोऑर्डिनेट दैट इज x and y. So what will be the matrix of rotation? So from this equation we can make a matrix x dash y dash is equal to xy cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Let me multiply this value matrix first, then we will finalize this particular matrix. X cos theta plus y sin theta, x cos theta plus y sin theta, x cos theta plus y sin theta. No, this will become minus. Right? X cos theta minus y sin theta, ये वाला मिल गया x dash. Similarly, x sin theta plus y cos theta, x sin theta plus y cos theta, y dash will be. So this will be the final matrix of rotation, where you can use this particular matrix for any type of numerical questions. Okay. So x, y are the previous coordinates of object. X dash, y dash will be the new coordinates of object. Theta is angle by which we are rotating this object in anti-clockwise direction. Remember it. The derivation is for anti-clockwise direction. So this matrix will work in only that case when we are rotating any object in anti-clockwise direction. In case of clockwise direction क्या होगा? This sign will change. यहाँ पे नेगेटिव हो जाएगा और ये वाला साइन पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. That's it. अगर आपको किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में रोटेट करना है तो मैट्रिक्स में ये वाला नेगेटिव हो जाएगा और ये साइन पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. कॉस दोनों समय पे आपका सेम रहेगा. एंटी क्लॉकवाइज का मैट्रिक्स ये है, याद रखिएगा बाय डिफॉल्ट. और इस डेरिवेशन से आप निकाल सकते हो, बिकॉज व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई दिस पर्टिकुलर लाइक x cos थीटा minus y sin थीटा, you'll get this. Similarly x sin थीटा plus y cos थीटा, you'll get this. तो ये वाली इक्वेशन से ये मैट्रिक्स आया. दिस इज फॉर एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. अब इस पे बेस देख न्यूमेरिकल करेंगे. For rotation, consider this particular numerical where ABCD is the object, that is square A 0 0, B is 3 0, C is 3 3, and D is 0 3. What is given in this question? Then we need to rotate this particular object by 45 degree about origin in anti-clockwise direction, and we know that for anti-clockwise direction we have a matrix, this particular matrix, to solve any type of numerical. Where xy, this xy is the coordinate, previous coordinate of object, that is 0 0, 3 0, 3 3, and 0 3. So we need to just put these coordinates here in place of xy. That is 0 0, 3 0, 3 3, and 0 3. These are the given previous coordinates of the object. In place of cos theta, sin theta, and minus sin theta, cos theta, theta is given. We are rotating this object by 45 degree. So this will become cos 45. This will become sin 45. This will become minus sin 45, and this is cos 45. Now we need to find out the value of cos 45, sin 45, minus sin 45, and cos 45. We can put it here and multiply this to matrix. Then we will get the new coordinates. So what is the value of cos 45? So it is 1 by root 2. Sin 45, again 1 by root 2. Minus sin 45, 1 by root 2, negative, because it is a minus. And this last one, cos 45, is 1 by root 2. Now multiply this to matrix and find out the new coordinates. So 0 into 0 will be 0. 0 into 0 will be 0. First row with the second column, that is 0 into 0, 0 into 1 by root 2, 0. 0 into 1 by root 2, that is 0. Second row with the first column, that is 3 by root 2, and this will become 0. Second row with the second column, 3 by root 2, 3 into 1 by root 2, that is 3 by root 2, and this 0. Third row with the first column, that is 3 by root 2 minus 3 by root 2. 3 by root 2, 3 into 1 by root 2, and 3 minus 3 by 2. So 3 by root 2 minus 3 by root 2 will become 0. Will get cancelled. This 3 by root 2 plus this 3 by root 2 will be 6 by root 2. 0 into 1 by root 2, that is 0, and minus 3 by root 2. 0 into 1 by root 2, that will become 0, and this is 3 by root 2. So finally you can put 1.14 here in place of root 2. and find out the exact coordinate of object. But as of now, we can write it like this. The new coordinates are a dash is 0, 0, b dash is 3 by root 2 comma 3 by root 2. Similarly, c dash is 0, 6 by root 2, and d dash is minus 3 by root 2 comma 3 by root 2. So these are the new coordinates of the new object after performing rotation. So this is all about the rotation of any object about origin in anti-clockwise direction. अगर यही clockwise direction में होता तो ये माइनस होता और ये प्लस हो जाता, बस इतना डिफरेंस होता है.